This is Amanda with Tech Loving Mom here with Gizmo again. We're going to talk about Alexa and the Echo. This is the Echo Spot that I've got right here. Last video we just talked about the basic things that Alexa would do. We talked about things like reminders, alarms, how you could set multiple timers, how it streams music. This time we're going to talk about something called Alexa Skills. You can enable certain skills on your Echoes to use it for a lot more things. So we're going to go through a few of these and let you see them in action. And I'll also show you the Amazon Skills page on Amazon.com where you can enable the things that you want Alexa to do. Okay, Alex and I, with Gizmo's help here, we're going to try some of these Amazon Skills just to show you what these are like. Alex, let's show them what the away mode is.
Alexa, enable away mode.
Okay, here's away mode. Welcome to away mode, a voice-powered home protection skill to deter unwanted visitors. In 5 seconds I will start playing a random extended audio track that will make it sound like someone insufferable is home. Just say next for a different track. Initiating track. 2 average guys brainstorm what's unique about themselves so they can start a podcast about it.
Brad, have you looked in the refrigerator lately? Chad, dude, remember that killer breakfast pizza I made before? Yeah? Where do you think I got the ingredients?
Stop. That continues until you tell Alexa to stop. So the idea here is that you could let this play in the background while you're gone to make people think that there are still people in the house. That's called away mode. You need to enable it. And you can just tell Alexa to enable and she will do that. How about let's play rock, paper, scissors with her. You want to play rock, paper, scissors? Okay, go for it. Tell her to enable it. Alexa, let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Let's play. At the count of 3 say, rock, paper, or scissors. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Rock.
Tie. You know what to do. Okay, new game. Rock, paper, or scissors.
Rock.
Oi. Rock, pummel, scissors. One more time. Rock, paper, or scissors.
Scissors.
Now I see how it is. I need to bring my A game against you. Scissors turns paper into confetti. One more time. Rock, paper, or scissors.
Paper.
Sigh, I lost. Paper beats rock. I have 0. You have 3 points. Let's play again. Rock, paper,
Alexa,
or scissors.
stop. So you can
See
play
you later.
You can play all kinds of games. Alex, do the animal game.
Alexa, play an animal game with me.
Good idea. Please think of an animal, and let me guess it. I will ask you questions. Please answer yes or no. Does it hunt other animals?
No.
Can you find it at a farm?
No.
Does it have wings?
No.
How many legs does it have?
0.
What color is it?
Gold.
Is it bigger than a cat?
No.
Is it a common pet?
Yes.
Is it a fish?
Yes.
Let me guess. Is it a goldfish?
Yes.
And she gets it right most of the time.
Wahoo! Good game. Do you want to play more?
No. There is...
Alright. I hope we play again soon. Thanks for playing.
We use fans in our bedrooms because our house is relatively close to a railroad track and the fans help drown out the sound. If you have an Echo in your room, you can enable the sleep sounds and use it for a sound machine. Alexa, open sleep sounds.
Welcome to Sleep Sounds. To play a sound, just say play, and then the name of the sound you wish to play. You can say play thunderstorm, or play rain, or play ocean. For a full list of sounds, say list sounds.
Play ocean. Play Thunderstorm. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play Song Quiz.
Welcome to Song Quiz, brought to you by Volley. How many people are playing Song Quiz?
2.
Choose a music decade. You can say 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, or 2010s.
2010s.
I'll play 7 short clips from the 2010s. After the music stops, try to guess either the artist or the name of the song. You can also try to guess both for bonus points. If you need more time, just say repeat. Let's begin. Player 1, question 1, for 10 points. Name the song title and artist.
Do you know that one? Do you know that one?
I've heard it.
The song was Grenade by Bruno Mars.
Grenade.
Your score is 0. Player 2, question 1, for 10 points. Name the song title and artist.
Happy.
You've got the title right for 10 points. The song was Happy by Pharrell Williams. Your score is 10. Player 1, question 2, for 10 points. Name the song title and artist.
And if you think that I'm still holding on.
I don't know the name of it.
Here are some of the things you can say. Repeat. Start over. If you're done, say stop.
And if you think that I'm still holding on.
I don't know.
The song was Love Yourself by Justin Bieber. Your score is 0. Player 2, question 2, for 10 points. Name the song title and artist.
Animals, Maroon 5.
You got the artist right for 10 points. The song was One More Night by Maroon 5.
There's one called Bible app that works alongside the Bible app that you can have on your phone. So let's see. Alexa, ask the Bible app to read Jeremiah 29:11.
Jeremiah 29:11.
For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future.
So you can ask questions about the Bible with the Bible app.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Where do scuba instructors go to catch a movie? A dive-in theater.
A quick way to check out a lot of the Alexa skills is to go to Amazon.com. And once you are there, change the all to this first one that says Alexa skills. And then you will have a list where you can go and look at the Alexa skills. Click here. And now here we have all 70,000 plus are listed here. You've got staff picks. Here's one about a 7-minute workout. Here's one that my son Jake will probably try out, the SpongeBob challenge. I may try this one. It does grocery lists where you can add to your shopping lists. You have all of these different ones to choose from. Here's some of the latest ones. Popular skills, trending skills, and then if you look over here down the side, they have them broken into categories. We click on communication. Mastermind was one that I talked about a few minutes ago. It allows you to send text messages, emails, start phone calls. If you lose your phone, it can ring your phone so you can find your phone. There's a whole list here of things that you can do with this voice-enabled mastermind skill that Alexa can do. Then there are some other things as well that you can look down through here and choose from. I just thought the mastermind one was a good one to try out. Let's go back to skills again. If you have one of the connected cars, you can get the apps. Oops, sorry. I was trying to hit connected cars there. Chevrolet does it. This one, Uconnect doesn't really tell me. There it is, Ram or Jeep vehicle with the Uconnect system installed. There's Ford Pass, Hyundai, Blue Ink, BMW, Nissan, Lexus, Cadillac, Tesla, GMC. So your newer cars, Buick, are going to have these devices built into the car where you can control things within your car with your Amazon Echo sitting inside your house. You could start your car on a cold morning, lock or unlock the doors. So that would be interesting if you get one of the newer cars. Let's look at some more here. We did a lot of the games with Alex when we were going through with the video. Home services. Here's a burglar deterrent that's very similar to the away mode. Headmaster Dumbledore was very interesting to me. It says you can turn your house into the magical Hogwarts school. You group your children into the 4 Hogwarts houses, and then they award them points for good behavior. So this is like a skill that you can use to reward good behavior with your kids. This would be great, like on summer vacation or something, if your kids are into all of the Harry Potter stuff. And then you have the smart plugs, the screensaver. This one, Potty Profit, is to help your kids with their potty training. So that one was interesting. So, and if you look here, there are 11 pages of the home skills that Alexa can do that you can look through. I'm going to show you just a few more here, just to give you some ideas. I have found that a lot of the stores have Alexa skills. Like here's REI. Here's where you can get book trade-in values from Amazon, BJ's Wholesale, Redbox, StubHub, B&H, Best Buy. There's a lot in here. Notice there are 14 pages of it. So with 70,000 plus skills to choose from, there should be something for everyone in here to get the most use out of your Amazon Echo devices. Every time I sit down now, the dog is coming to sit down with me at the table. So those are a lot of the Alexa skills, but there are over 70,000, so we haven't even scraped the surface. So go online to Amazon.com and go to Alexa skills and check out all the thousands of skills that are available. And let us know in the comments, what Alexa skills are you using and which ones do you recommend? Thanks.